The universe is vast, unimaginably vast. When we look up at the night sky, we see just a tiny fraction of what's out there. The stars we see are only a small part of our own galaxy, the Milky Way, and our galaxy is just one of billions in the observable universe. Each of those galaxies contains billions of stars, and many of those stars have planets orbiting them. The sheer scale of it all is almost beyond comprehension. Billions of stars fill our galaxy, each one a potential sun to its own system of planets. Some of these stars are similar to our own sun, while others are vastly different. Some are much larger, burning brightly but living short lives. Others are smaller and cooler, burning steadily for billions of years. Among these countless stars there must be many planets that could potentially harbor life. Billions of galaxies fill the universe. Each galaxy a vast collection of stars, planets, and other celestial objects. Some galaxies are spiral-shaped like our Milky Way, while others are elliptical or irregular in shape. The diversity of galaxies is as astounding as the number of them, and within each galaxy the potential for life exists on countless worlds. Is it possible in all that space that we are truly alone? The question has intrigued humanity for as long as we've been able to look up at the stars and wonder. Are we the only intelligent beings in this vast cosmos? Or are there others out there, looking up at their own night skies and pondering the same question? Or could there be other beings out there, looking up at the same stars asking the same question? The idea that we might not be alone in the universe is both thrilling and humbling. It suggests that life in some form might be a common occurrence in the cosmos. And if intelligent life exists elsewhere, what might it be like? How might it think, communicate, and understand the universe? The possibility of extraterrestrial life, of alien civilizations, has fascinated humanity for centuries. Ancient cultures built observatories and created myths and legends about the stars. They wondered about the nature of the cosmos and our place within it. Today our scientific understanding has grown, but the fundamental questions remain the same. Are we alone, or is the universe teeming with life? We long to know. Are there others out there? The search for extraterrestrial life is driven by our innate curiosity and our desire to connect with something greater than ourselves. We want to know if we are part of a larger cosmic community, if there are other beings who share our quest for knowledge and understanding. Could we ever reach them, communicate with them, learn from them? The challenges are immense. The distances between stars are vast, and the time it takes for signals to travel across space is daunting. But the potential rewards are equally immense. The discovery of extraterrestrial intelligence would be one of the most profound events in human history. It would change our understanding of ourselves and our place in the universe. The challenges are enormous, the distance is almost impossible to grasp. Yet, we continue to search. We send out signals, hoping for a response. We listen to the cosmos, hoping to hear a message from another civilization. The search for extraterrestrial intelligence is a testament to our determination and our hope. But the potential rewards, the sheer wonder of connecting with another intelligent species, make the search irresistible. Imagine the knowledge we could gain, the perspectives we could share. The discovery of another intelligent species would be a momentous occasion, one that would forever alter the course of human history. The search for extraterrestrial intelligence, or SETI, is a testament to our curiosity, our desire to break free from the confines of our own world and reach out to the cosmos. SETI researchers use advanced technology to scan the skies for signals that might indicate the presence of intelligent life. It's a painstaking process, but one that holds the promise of incredible discovery. It's a search for connection, for understanding, for a glimpse of something truly different, something truly extraordinary. The idea that we might one day make contact with an alien civilization is both exhilarating and daunting. What would we say? How would we communicate? What could we learn from each other? The universe is full of mysteries waiting to be unraveled. From the strange and beautiful phenomena we observe in deep space to the fundamental questions about the nature of life and intelligence, there is so much we have yet to discover. Each new discovery brings us one step closer to understanding the cosmos and our place within it, and somewhere out there an answer might be waiting. The search for extraterrestrial life is a journey of exploration and discovery, driven by our deepest questions and our greatest hopes. As we continue to explore the cosmos, we hold on to the hope that one day, we will find the answer to the question that has captivated us for so long. Are we alone in the universe? Our fascination with extraterrestrial life is not new. For centuries, we've imagined other worlds, other beings, peering back at us from the darkness. But it wasn't until the 20th century that we began to truly listen for whispers from the cosmos. In 1972, we launched Pioneer 10, our first spacecraft to leave the solar system. Attached to it was a message for any extraterrestrial intelligence that might find it, a gold-plated plaque depicting a man and a woman, our location in the galaxy, and a few basic scientific principles. Then, in 1977, we launched the Voyager spacecraft, carrying with them golden records filled with images, sounds, and music from Earth. A message in a bottle cast into the cosmic ocean, hoping to reach some distant shore. These early attempts were long shots, symbolic gestures of our desire to connect. But they marked the beginning of our active search for extraterrestrial intelligence, a search that continues to this day. If we want to talk to aliens, we need to speak their language. But what exactly does that mean? It's not about learning a new spoken language or deciphering an alien dialect. Instead, it's about understanding the fundamental principles that govern the universe. Not English or Mandarin, of course, but the language of the universe itself, physics and mathematics. These are the tools that allow us to describe the cosmos, to understand the forces at play, and to communicate complex ideas across vast distances. These are the universal constants, the fundamental laws that govern everything from the smallest atom to the largest galaxy. They are the same everywhere, and they provide a common ground for any intelligent beings trying to understand the universe. Radio waves, a form of electromagnetic radiation, are a promising candidate for interstellar communication. They are a natural part of the universe, produced by stars, planets, and even black holes. They travel at the speed of light, can traverse vast distances, and can carry information. This makes them an ideal medium for sending messages across the cosmos. Imagine a signal sent from a distant star, traveling for thousands of years before reaching us. For decades, scientists have been scanning the skies for radio signals from other civilizations, hoping to hear a telltale sign of intelligent life. This search, known as the Search for Extraterrestrial Intelligence, SETI, involves using powerful radio telescopes to listen for unusual signals. But radio waves are not our only option. There are other methods of communication that could be even more effective. Lasers, for example, can be focused into tight beams, carrying vast amounts of information across interstellar distances. They can be incredibly precise, allowing us to target specific stars or planets with our messages. And who knows what other technologies, what other forms of communication might be possible in the vastness of the cosmos. Perhaps there are methods we haven't even imagined yet. Ways of sending messages that are beyond our current understanding. The search for extraterrestrial intelligence is a search for the unknown, a journey into the realm of possibilities. It's about pushing the boundaries of our knowledge and exploring the farthest reaches of the universe. And as our technology advances, so too do our chances of one day making contact. With each new discovery, we get a little bit closer to answering one of the most profound questions of all. Are we alone in the universe? Space is big. Really big. When we look up at the night sky, we see just a tiny fraction of the universe. The vastness of space is almost beyond human comprehension. It's a realm where distances are measured in light years. The distance light travels in 1 year, which is about 5.88 trillion miles. Even the nearest star system to our own, Alpha Centauri, is 4.37 light years away. To put that into perspective, if you were to travel at the speed of light, it would still take you over 4 years to get there, and that's just the closest star system. Most stars we see in the night sky are much farther away. That means it takes light, the fastest thing in the universe, over 4 years to travel from there to here. Light travels at an incredible speed of about 186,282 miles per second. Yet even at that speed, the distances in space are so vast that it takes years for light to traverse them. A radio signal sent from Earth today wouldn't reach Alpha Centauri until 2029. Radio waves, like light, travel at the speed of light, but the immense distances mean that communication with even our nearest stellar neighbor involves significant delays. And that's just our closest neighbor. The universe is filled with countless stars and galaxies, each separated by vast expanses of space. The distances involved are so great that they challenge our understanding and our technology. The Milky Way galaxy, our home galaxy, is over 100,000 light-years across. This means that even if we could travel at the speed of light, it would take us over 100,000 years to cross from one side of the galaxy to the other. A message sent to the other side of the galaxy wouldn't arrive for tens of thousands of years. Imagine sending a message today and knowing that it wouldn't be received until long after our civilization has changed or even ceased to exist. This immense distance poses a significant challenge to interstellar communication. The time it takes for messages to travel between stars means that real-time communication is impossible. We have to think in terms of decades, centuries, or even millennia. A message sent across the cosmos might take centuries, millennia, even millions of years to reach its destination. The vastness of space means that any attempt to communicate with distant civilizations requires patience and a long-term perspective. And that's assuming it doesn't get lost along the way, absorbed by interstellar dust, or simply drowned out by the cosmic background noise. Space is not empty. It's filled with dust, gas, and radiation that can interfere with our signals. Communicating across such vast distances is like playing a cosmic game of telephone, with the message potentially distorted or lost in transmission. Each step of the journey introduces the possibility of errors, making it a challenge to maintain the integrity of the original message. But despite the challenges, the possibility of connecting with another intelligence across the gulf of space is a prize worth striving for. The idea that we might one day communicate with another civilization, share knowledge, and learn from each other is a powerful motivator for scientists and explorers alike. The quest to bridge the vast distances of space and make contact with other intelligent beings is one of the most exciting and profound endeavors of our time.